Hello everyone, Namaskara, Vanakkam, welcome to Royal RaiDa channel. We have reached Kolli Hills. It was an amazing journey. Today in Kolli Hills, the part 2 video, we are taking you an amazing waterfalls. Kindly watch the video till end and subscribe to our channel. Regarding part 1 video, it's already updated in the YouTube. I'll share you the link in below description. Beautiful day. It's approx 4 p.m. now. We have planned to visit 2 waterfalls and tomorrow we are going to return back to Bangalore. Today the waterfalls we are going to visit Agaya Gangai Waterfalls, the height of 300 feet. Wow! And it is formed by an Aiyaru river. Agaya Gangai is known as an perware and can be reached by climbing down 1196 steps. What a wonderful, right? The other waterfall is the smallest waterfall in this area. The water is clean enough and we can play in the waterfalls and it is lovely picnic spot. So ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So today our breakfast also got late, lunch late ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಸರಣ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೋಹನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಶ್ವತ್ತು, ಮೋಹನು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ ರೈಡಾ. Now we are planning to go to waterfalls. All guys are steady ready to go to waterfalls. ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು 3-4 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ಸು. ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾಲಿನ ನೊರೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫೆಲೋ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
So this is very steep. Yeah, you can see this is very steep steps. Maybe we have covered 25% now. So lot of steps to go.
So waterfalls ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು we are going back to the resort. Let's go to the resort. Rejoice.
Kollimalai. This is one of the beautiful hill stations which I have traveled, I think after Nainital. This is the best. No crowd. Everywhere there is a green and complete pepper plantations. No much population, a fresh air and lovely place to enjoy. And the place where we are staying, RVR, it's a wonderful place. First I thought like looks like and slightly expensive, but the food and amenities and everything, considering those in this remote place, it is superb. One of the nice place. Without forgetting, we went to falls and we played in the water. That's one of the very good ones.
ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಫೈರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಯುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಬಾಲು, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟು, ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಚೆಸ್ಸು, ಕ್ಯಾರಮ್ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು.
Again, the roads are amazing. The trip was amazing. The weather is mind.
It took only 4 hours to reach there, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Around 200 kilometers.
Mind-blowing weather. And again, to be part of it, the Royal Riders, and collectively we are like a big family right now.
Yeah.
So it's like been part of Royal Rider for some for 2-3 trips. So I know how we plan it, wherever we break. So we actually schedule it really well. So they were not used to it. They were thinking the entire stretch as one go. So they were really skeptical on that. But once they came over, they were really excited. We never thought.
In the morning, 5 o'clock, we left from my home, and myself and one of my friend was there. Till Palakkad, the road was really the gutter and all. It was really a difficult road, and 3 hours we took to reach Walayar. From there, Arjun as well as one of my friend Dilish, we joined together. So from there we came to Coimbatore. From Coimbatore to Erode, and we had to have food there. So
Then we joined with the gang.
Hello guys, good morning. The day 2, Namaskara, Shubhodaya. Today we are starting our journey back to Namma Bengaluru, and on the way we are planning to visit Ettikayamman temple. It is located near Seemedu on the way of Bangalore road. Very traditional temple, and it is walkable distance from the main road. Lot of locals and tourists visit this temple. So we are come for a breakfast now. So we are having a breakfast.
Very good food. Authentic South Indian breakfast. Idli, pongal. Just to allow it.
A good South Indian breakfast. The pongal is very good.
Enjoy your breakfast. ಅಮ್ಮನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಓಕೆ
reason for forming of this Kolli Hills.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಸಾಮಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಎಟ್ಟಿಕಾಯಮ್ಮನ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಿಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೆದರ್ ಕೂಲಾಗಿದೆ. Blessings from the god Ettikayamman.